For a flattering, smooth, and natural-looking canvas, start by prepping your skin with no-rinse micellar cleansing treatment. Cold Plasma Plus Advanced Serum Concentrate. Face Finishing and Firming Moisturizer. And Cold Plasma Plus Eye Advanced Eye Cream. Now your skin is prepped and ready to be the perfect canvas for the No Makeup skincare products. To prime your skin for makeup application, smooth a small amount of instant blur over the entire face. Apply it more liberally in areas where you see more fine lines, wrinkles, or enlarged pores. Then, you're ready to perfect the look of your skin. Using the dropper, put some No Makeup Foundation Serum onto your fingertips and apply dots to the areas of the face with the most discoloration, blemishes, or uneven tone. Gently pat the serum into the skin, blending outward. Layer the serum to build coverage until you achieve your desired look. Here's a pro tip. To achieve a natural-looking complexion, only use foundation serum where needed, then blend outward. You don't need to cover the entire face. Or you can apply more of the serum to achieve as much coverage as you want. Using the No Makeup Concealer Wand, apply small dots to dark areas under the eyes. The less concealer you use, the better. Press the concealer into the skin and feather or blend it gently outward. Apply additional concealer to any other imperfections. Many people like to even out the skin tone around the nose for a fresh, polished look. When covering a darker or textured imperfection, like a blemish or scar, let the concealer sit on the skin for a minute or so before blending to achieve the fullest coverage. Now you're ready to enhance your perfected complexion with some color. For dimension and contour, apply small dots of No Makeup bronzer to your temples, in the hollows of your cheeks, just below the chin, and in the creases of your eyelids. Pat and blend gently. For a more dramatic contour, or for a sun-kissed look, apply additional layers of bronzer. Next, apply and pat No Makeup blush into the apples of the cheeks, blending it upwards towards the temples into the No Makeup bronzer. For a soft glow, apply a small amount of No Makeup highlighter onto the high points of your cheekbones, down the bridge of your nose, and over the bow of your lips. If you're trying to achieve an overall matte look, use No Makeup concealer to highlight these areas instead of the highlighter. Now that your skin looks amazing, it's time to define your facial features. Apply No Makeup eyeshadow to your lids, from lash line to brow for a sheer wash of color. You can add more in the creases for deeper definition. Next comes mascara. No Makeup mascara can add natural-looking definition or dramatic length and volume. The unique applicator was designed with 2 types of bristles, so you can customize your look to the style you like. The wide sides build volume quickly. The narrow sides are best for adding length. Apply 1 coat for a beautiful natural-looking lash, or apply 2 to 3 coats for a dramatic look. Finish your look with lipstick. Apply No Makeup lipstick to your lips. A light touch gives a sheer look. You can build the color with additional layers. Reapply as needed throughout the day.